$13,000. That's the predicted price of Ethereum for 2022, according to Coinpedia. That's a huge increase compared to its current price of around $4,000. Stick around and we reveal how it could get to $13,000 and even more changes coming with the merge. Ethereum remains one of the most popular coins on the market. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, is absolutely extraordinary. As a result, the experts of Ethereum Price Predictions may indicate which direction the overall market will move. This is due to the fact that when Ethereum sneezes, the entire market feels the effects. Just like my knees, my back, my eyes, all when I sneeze. Ethereum has recently been on a bullish streak. ETH is now trading near $3,500, having recovered nicely from the $2,500 range, which had been trading in for much of the year. As a result, bulls are out in force predicting higher highs for this digital coin. The fact that Ethereum serves as the foundation for most decentralized applications accounts for a large portion of the anticipated growth. Ethereum may continue to grow as the crypto industry strives to provide more utility to end users. It's an easy-to-understand thesis that many investors have supported for a long time. However, the upcoming Ethereum merge is expected to attract even more investors. Demand for ETH is expected to rise as Ethereum transitions to a proof-of-stake network. This is because people who stake their coins can earn rewards by simply using coins to help validate and secure the Ethereum network. Now, stakeholder yields are expected to be in the double digits. As a result, let's look at where some experts believe Ethereum is headed. To put this in context, ETH is currently trading at $3,500 per coin. Recently, one expert's grabbing headlines with predictions that ETH could skyrocket. According to BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes, Ethereum could reach $10,000 by the end of 2022. Well, that is, if the upcoming Ethereum merge goes as planned. The mainnet of the Ethereum network could be combined with the Beacon chain, where developers have been testing staking for some time. This change will enable average investors like us to stake their coins and earn passive income. Such a proposition for Ethereum bulls may entice buying, propelling this cryptocurrency into the 5-digit range. In addition to staking, Hayes believes institutional investors will begin to view ETH as a bond. This could entice them to increase their exposure to cryptocurrency. Of course, this prediction will raise a few eyebrows. The value of Ethereum is already enormous. A rise to $10,000 would more than double the market's all-time high. However, there is a reason for these price forecasts to exist. Indeed, whether or not Ethereum reaches this price target, it will remain a top coin on most investors' watch lists in the future. We asked 3 experts how high they think Ethereum will go this year, and each qualified their predictions by saying that predicting the future price of Ethereum is nearly impossible. Other experts predict that the price of ETH will be even more volatile than Bitcoin in the coming months, since Ethereum is transitioning its technology to a less energy-intensive version known colloquially as Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum's improvements may make it more appealing and sustainable for widespread use, but experts are waiting to see how investors and companies building technology on Ethereum's platform react to the changes. Despite the difficulty of forecasting the price of a volatile cryptocurrency, the experts we spoke with agreed ETH could once again surpass $4,000 in 2022. According to analyst Mike McGlone, Ethereum will end the year between $4,000 and $4,500. But how far can it go from there? This will be determined by several factors that may contribute to its long-term value. If the same bullish upswing that began in mid-2021 continues, ETH could end 2022 between $6,500 and $7,500 according to Coinpedia. However, the crypto market experienced a bearish downturn in 2022, indicating that Ethereum's price will not rise solely based on sentiment. While the Ethereum team works to transition to second-generation updates, the blockchain now faces significant competition from similar platforms that are filling in the gaps. Ethereum was the only show in town, said crypto leader at firm PwC. However, for Ether's price to rise further, investors will need to see an increased demand and functionality. "I believe Ethereum can reach $8,000, said Belina, an investor at Token Metrics. While Ethereum is clearly the leader, other blockchains are onboarding new users at a faster rate due to Ethereum's high gas fees and low transaction speed. If Ethereum's upcoming transition to Ethereum 2.0 is successful, Coinpedia predicts an even higher price of $12,962.33 in 2022. The new enhancements could potentially make Ethereum more affordable for users to mint and develop products, as service fees for using Ethereum are currently notoriously high. Investors are watching as the world's most popular blockchain nears a massive upgrade that will change its infrastructure and make it more environmentally friendly. Billionaire Mark Cuban, a vocal supporter of cryptocurrency, is one of them. In what's known as the merge, Ethereum intends to transition from a proof-of-work model to a proof-of-stake model. Though the exact date has yet to be determined, developers anticipate that the merger will take place this summer. Following that merger, Ethereum's crypto mining would become obsolete, significantly reducing Ethereum's environmental impact. Because fewer coins are expected to be issued, the supply of new Ether would also likely decrease. Furthermore, blockchain security against potential attacks is expected to improve. In addition, institutional investment in the Ethereum network is expected to grow. When asked about the proposed merger changes, Mark Cuban stated, "I am very bullish." First, he emphasized the significance of Ethereum transitioning to proof of stake. Ethereum currently relies on proof of work, which requires miners to solve complex puzzles in order to validate transactions. This process necessitates a massive amount of computer power and is frequently chastised for its environmental impact. Users will be able to validate transactions based on how many coins they contribute or stake with the planned upgrade to proof of stake. Users who stake more coins have a better chance of being chosen to validate transactions on the network and earn a reward. Ethereum currently has both proof of work and proof of stake chains running concurrently. Even though both have validators, only the proof of work chain currently processes user transactions. Once the merge is complete, Ethereum's blockchain will be fully converted to a proof of stake chain known as the Beacon chain, rendering mining obsolete. As a result, Ethereum's energy consumption is expected to be reduced by 99%. Second, Mark Cuban has stated that he's interested in less Ether issuance following the merger and how that may potentially make it deflationary. He's referring to how the supply of Ether is expected to fall after the merger because fewer coins are expected to be issued. Following the merger, the amount of ETH issued is projected to drop by 90%, which would result in similar levels of fees, reducing Ether's supply as much as 5% a year, said the blockchain analytics firm. If demand rises while supply falls, the price of Ether may rise. However, forecasting the future value of any asset is impossible. Nonetheless, some believe that after the merger, Ether will become a deflationary asset or one with a declining supply that can be used as a store of value. Bitcoin is already regarded as a safe haven. Mark Cuban said that he has no money invested in the Beacon chain, but he does own Ether and Ethereum-based non-fungible tokens, NFTs. He's also invested in several companies that are based on attempting to scale or interact with Ethereum. Mark Cuban, a self-proclaimed Ethereum maximalist, has frequently discussed why he loves the blockchain. It's primarily because of Ethereum's smart contracts, which are collections of code that run on the blockchain and execute agreements. Smart contracts really changed everything, he said in March 2021. Smart contracts appeared, resulting in DeFi or decentralized finance and NFTs or non-fungible tokens. That's what threw the game into disarray, and that's what piqued my interest. That's why it's similar to the internet. Despite competition and other factors contributing to Ethereum's ongoing volatility, there is a general sense of optimism that the original smart contract blockchain will survive this period of testing. Ethereum controls more than 90% of the NFT market, experts claim. This is going to be a pivotal year for Ethereum, a make-or-break year. There are several reasons to believe that Ethereum will quickly recover from its current slump. What we believe Ethereum has is community momentum, which allows a group of very smart people to create innovation and see new opportunities, crypto experts say. At its core, my optimism is based solely on the versatility of what Ethereum can do.